trades no matter what. Sacrifice. That's the sacrifice Coach Paul and I take.
Yeah, I can't even take a trade, so
Let me see. That doesn't give me my buy and sell buttons on the strategy. Gemini, Christmas. Turn something on. Come on. Oh, somebody new watching is like, oh, your products work really well.
yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, can't control technology. Sometimes it works, and sometimes it has its days.
Come on. I want to be in short here.
Yeah, I'm
Dang,
trying to
can I
look
have
for a
that
way to get in
nice big
short too.
short? I'm doing it. I don't care what anybody says. I know this is
I'm
not
gonna.
proper, but this market's falling, guys. So there you go. Get my dirt on real quick. Technically start my stop here, above the swing or above the junk. There we go. This on both. Did have a nice little evening trade as well. Surprise level. Oh, we're definitely in short on that. I'm gonna do short. Let's see. No tick
Hey,
between. I think I'm gonna do a non-tick difference. And targets are off. The short side of things. Flat on the YM. Looking for another one there. And set your stops on the grid. Make sure you have the loss shut off and trail your stop. And wait, today's Fed day. I'm gonna do this on both. I'm gonna do it on both to start with, and then let's enable. Boom.
I'm doing shorts. It's working. It's up $101 so far. So I think we may.
Is it
Ah, we'll let
101?
it. $101, yeah, on the auto trader, on the grid. Excuse me. But I have it armed for just shorts. It was
You guys got my settings in that.
all right, Deb.
Oh man! All right, Deb. Enjoy.
Don't mold
Enjoy.
those young minds.
Yeah, keep them being jerks.
Keep, good luck.
Thank
Good
you
luck
for
with
what
that,
you
Deb. Good
do.
luck. Uh-oh. Somebody changed the
Sorry, we didn't
Zoom.
have much to do this morning. I could have called it short, but I just kept looking at this, and then my stuff froze. If you guys want to go, we lost your screen too, Paul, with the grid
Did
on it.
you?
I don't see it.
Oh, goodness. All right.
She needs some luck. Deb, have a good one.
Yeah, Deb. Don't worry, Deb.
I was
Just
looking at it
think
back
of it this
here.
way, Deb. It's just temporary.
I started to see sell off, and I wanted to call it, and then somewhere like right in this area, I started having issues, and I didn't want to jump on the mic and call a trade with
There
a was
today.
blind. Well, it just froze on me. Like right here, I was gonna jump
Oh,
on and say,
wow.
"Hey
He's
guys,
not.
this thing's falling. Let's get short." Flat. It's gonna keep selling again. YMs. I would expect a range bound day. I know it did sell off overnight. They push it down and push it up, push it down, push it up. It is Fed day, so again, like the same chart, right? Anybody getting familiar with this yet? Look at what happened prior to the last news event. We're down at the same area. Anybody getting familiar with this yet? Shut it down. Get your log and send it to Coach Paul, Stefan.
Stefan, I'm going to get you on here in just a little bit with Tyler. So he's going to give me a place where you guys can communicate. He's going to go through your stuff. That's another thing I was working on.
Oh yeah, he's going to remote log in.
Yeah, that was
Good.
Trying to get that fixed for him too. So rather complicated morning, to say the least.
Yeah, it's been a lot to deal with this morning.
Which is probably a good reason.
Yesterday,
Probably I'm
Bill,
glad I'm not trading, to be honest with you. Usually days like today don't end so
told
well.
my elderly parents yesterday trying to get them to Ohio in
Oh, that's right, yeah.
wheelchairs and blind old dad that's stuck in his ways and hasn't flown in 25 years, and a mom that's in a wheelchair. I can only imagine. They probably look like the Christmas Vacation people. Going through the airport. I'd rather deal with this crap. All right. So again, expect a range bound morning, guys. We just have to expect that. Different from other days. When should we expect a bigger move? What makes today special, guys?
It's because you're here.
Midday. We're going to be trading. We're going to be opening, coming back here at 145, 150. Get ready for the Fed. We will print some money this afternoon. And when I say print money, we will print money this afternoon.
All right.
So if we can be around for before 2, we'll go through how to trade the Fed. We'll go through what we need to do, what to expect, and then we'll see if there's anything that happens with it. But my guess is it's going to be pretty explosive, considering the fact that they push it down overnight the way they did. The manipulation and price action overnight. Still another sell signal coming up on the ES. Price action overnight says that it's going to explode one direction or the other. That's what it says. So we should see some fireworks. Fireworks. Are the Feds releasing? You can look it up online most of the time. Most of the time, you can look it up online, and it.
Did you get it, Ricky? Just let me know. Sorry, Brian. Go ahead.
That's all right. But most of the time, you can look it up. Just say, I haven't looked it up. I don't really care. Why? Because I'll know.
We're gonna trade it regardless.
Yeah,
whatever it does.
We did look at it. Somebody look it up. I mean, they probably have it on like CNBC or something like that. I mean, everybody probably has it. But rate change expects to be nothing, 0.25% up or down. They usually have that out there. So I can't figure out why I don't have buttons. Buttons here. My strategy doesn't have buttons now. That's a bummer.
I know. Mine didn't have buttons either. That's what I've been trying to get fixed. So I don't know.
Have you talked to Mr. Hugo about that?
I'm gonna have to. Yeah, something.
So fishy here.
Something fishy going on here. It's got to be the Russians.
Got to be. Man, that's only informed on the ES.
Got it.
Now you got chopped, guys.
YM's around the pivot. Yeah.
For some reason, it moved my zones around on me.
I'm not sure why you can't hear. Let's see. If somebody can't hear and they shut down and restarted, is there anything else they could do, Brian?
Use the refresh button in the room. Top right hand corner.
Top right,
That's the only
sorry.
thing I would know.
You did twice. Ooh, okay.
I hit send on the levels for the ES.
Yeah, I saw something pop up. Yes. All right. Can you hear us now then?
Oh, now can you hear me now?
Can you hear me? Okay, cool.
Like the old.
Ooh,
Spring.
all
I
right.
don't see anybody typing anything in.
No, he's
First it
messaging
says
me.
pick that
He's
0.25,
messaging.
but the languages will move them up. Targets. Yeah. Yeah. So, I mean, what are we going to see? Right? They push it down to do what? Most likely zoom this baby up. So the odds are in our favor that we're going to make a ton of money on the long side this afternoon. Those are the odds. So strategy in there. It's so weird. It shuts down automatically and doesn't put your strategy in.
I don't know. This right now is just not the time to try to fix all this.
Well, it's chopping around. There's not much to do. We gave you two good short calls, ES and YM. If you want to trade this, flip a coin, baby. Flip a coin. I finish setting up the YM stuff. I don't know why I just took everything out of it. Took all my strategies out. See if that works on the YM. See if I get some buttons. Buttons.
Man, look at this thing. At least one thing's working. Oh, you guys can't see my charts.
You gotta put them up.
Thing's up $300.
Great choppiness. What are your charts up?
It says share. It says I'm sharing. All
I
right.
don't see it.
I don't.
Do you guys see Coach Paul's chop? Chop, 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 chop. So you guys got it right now, guys. For those of you on trial, do see you, Paul. Oh, you see Paul's charts. Don't. Okay.
I don't see.
Those of you guys on trial, those of you that are new on trial, looks like a lot of you are return offenders.
Return offenders.
Return offenders. Return to sender. Offenders. There's like I can't even private chat you.
Yeah, it won't let me. I can't even stop. I'm trying to refresh my the other one, and I can't. I got that. I don't know what to tell you anymore. I have no idea. I give up. I give up.
Say yes or no, because I'm pretty sure I'm not getting a response from you.
Hold on. Hold on. Let me check. Whoa,
Sure, it's the same person.
I just lost you.
He lost me.
How am I talking to you and you're not even? I don't see you in the room.
I don't. This is nuts. It's crazy, right, guys? Does everybody see my charts? Hey, Brad. Sorry, we don't normally have these kind of issues. Welcome here, Brad. Welcome here. I'll go through some stuff here in a second for you to do to get acquainted to us. No, you can hear me though. You don't see my charts, but you can hear me. Okay, Brad. We'll go through some stuff, and when we get through with this technical issue, all right, no charts, but can't see. All right, let me just refresh the room
Can
here.
you guys hear me?
We can hear you.
Did we lose Brian?
No charts.
All right. Apologies, everybody. I don't know what's going on. We're trying to figure it out though. I can't share my charts. It will not let me share charts. It's telling me I'm sharing. Can you guys see my charts?
Oh no. Hugo when we need him. Here's Hugo. All right. Maybe do you see my ES charts? How about that?
I can see your
I got my ES charts up now. Okay, no YM yet. All right, let's do this. We're making progress, people. We're making progress.
We might get it figured out. We might get it figured out by FOMC.
By 2, we might.
We'll have it by 2 o'clock. Don't worry. Apologies to the trials, but it is what it is.
Not much we can do about this. Homeboy's first day here. He's like, "What the hell's going on with you guys?"
Oh, let me check on that, Brian, while I get a second.
All right.
Be right back.
I think you guys got me now, right? You got my ESYM, and then Coach Paul maybe can dive in with Hugo.
Yeah, it's telling me that I'm sharing right now, and
did you refresh on the top right hand side of the screen?
I did, and when I get back in, it tells me I'm sharing, and I can't stop sharing.
Here's what we're gonna do. What we're gonna do is, that's fine. They can do without your charts this morning.
Yeah, they don't need my charts.
We'll do a hard after the morning session. We're gonna do a hard reset on the room, guys. And I'm gonna take one more little shot on the short side here.
Yeah, it does look interesting. Oh, I missed it.
I actually get these levels updated, right? Why is it not doing it? Does it wait? All right, let's try that one more time. It makes a difference on the zones. See if I get the strategy run. I am at least. About to get a sell signal here, guys, in a second. Yes, both ES and YM. Let ES push up just a tick or two more. You know, have a decent little sell signal on the ES. All right, that looks to be set up right. Let's see if it worked this time. Enable, apply. Come on. Hey, I got my trade buttons on the YM. All right, maybe I can do it on the ES now. It'd probably help if I turned on the trade button, wouldn't it? Click to use Ninja Trader ATM. .1 18.
All right. I'm going to do this the old-fashioned way, manually trade. I don't even know what that's like anymore.
Oh, how do you do that? How do you actually press a button on your?
There's a button somewhere. Yeah, that tells you how to get in here. One of these buttons will get me in a trade. Let me figure it out.
Did it get Oh, right. Yay. Business.
Tech challenge today. Absolutely. Absolutely.
No, we
Hey,
don't get tech for the win today. We get
no
tech
tech
for
for the
the.
win. No tech for the tech for the. You need to change your name today.
Yeah, you got to change your name today. Tech for the
Hey,
frowning face.
you can't laugh at yourself. What can you do?
All right. We'll get Brett going here in a second too. He's the only trial. By the way, Brett, the only reason I'm talking to you is because we got probably 15 trials here, and it's normal that one or two trials actually participate in the session, and everybody else just sits
Everybody
there and
else
listens.
sits there and watches, listens to us
So
tell jokes.
anytime we have a new trial, I talk to the members all the time too. We're patient. We're really patient traders. Did you log in, Brett, through the members area? Did you look around there yet? While we're waiting on the trade to call. Okay. All right. Let me do this real quick. We're gonna get a sell signal here in a second, guys. I'm gonna do this for Brett really fast. Haven't gotten deep dive yet. I'm gonna give you the skinny here. I'm gonna put everybody on the ES charts. You're about to get a sell signal on YMES. You guys see that I have my short buttons armed. So let me get Brett a real quick rundown. Just a really quick one. I'm gonna do this down here on my ES screen. Let's do it. See, now I won't even do one panel. It usually tries to pick for me. Let's do it really fast. All right, Brett, you ready to go? Let's do this really fast.
Go for it.
Really fast, really fast. Today we're going to be in the main room, not the elite room for the Fed today. So all trials, make sure to come back at like 150 to the main room. And if you're on NinjaTrader, you can install our toolkits and our workspaces. Okay, you ready? You got getting all that, Brett? We have some discounts on partner stuff if you're using Pro accounts. We've got a lot of cool tools here. If you want to know our setup or anything, if you're not on NinjaTrader, you can use this stuff. And you can download Telegram if you're not on NinjaTrader, and you get our live zones. The zones work really well. I'll show you that in just a second. Our zones are freaking awesome. There's a 2150 line in the sand we had a while ago coming right now. So you might get a sell signal from there. And that would probably instigate a sell signal coming up here on the YM as well. So then as you go down through the modules on the right-hand side, you can do our core methodology, but Brett, I'm assuming you traded for a while before.
On the YM, sorry.
About to get it right now. Yep. No, call it for me, please. And then if you've traded for a while, go down and start at the elite class replays. This will get you up to speed with us really fast and do the finding levels and the next 4 videos. So those 5 videos all the way down to trailing stops, trade management. That tells you just how we do things. Okay. So do those 5 videos between now and tomorrow, or now and Fed if you have time to, Brett. Those 5 videos, finding levels, they're class recordings, so you'll get the interaction between the people. It'll be pretty good. Those are good videos to watch to get you up to speed with what we're doing.
Targets
and the last thing is, I highly suggest, good call, Coach Paul. Highly suggest scheduling a call with Coach Paul. After that, if you have any questions, that way he can get you kind of ingrained in what we're doing to make the best use of your trial. Cool. There's the fastest rundown for the trials I've ever done. And you're about to get the sell signal here on the ES as well.
Yes, yep. Target. I don't know where everybody. I don't know who's in the YM, but I'm in at 81 on that little M. Can't show you because I can't freaking.
Cards to share.
Share. I'm sharing according to my thing. It says I'm sharing, and it won't let me unshare.
Sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring.
Well, close out of the room. Maybe restart your machine.
I did that. I did that earlier. I've
All
done
right, guys.
everything.
You guys, everybody sees what's going on. Take the auto trader for the win there.
Oh, I missed that ES one. I was been focusing on this YM.
I just called it. All right, you guys got the
YM.
You should have your stops in a financial no lose on the YM. Looking to get your next target off on the ES here. Should be able to do that here in a second. All right. Anybody do that? Anybody take the short ES? Put me a little late, but we called it before it put me in. So you guys could have gotten in that. Good job, Bronjo. That was actually pretty close to your trade too. Yes, good job. Good job. Stephen Hill. We do take targets off, guys, as you can see. Try to take targets off, and then we want to move once we get our targets off, we want to move our stop to a guaranteed financial win.
Just-
All right, this thing's just going to try to take stops now. 61.26. Ooh, that's a little late there, buddy. You got in at 61.26? Stefan? Ooh, no. Look, this put me in late. We called it right here, so you should try to use like the midpoint on an M, or even on the reversal. It got me in a little late, but you should have been closer to like 27. That's the whole point. That point makes a big difference there. Send a trade to Coach Paul, and he'll help you with that entry. Was that a manual entry or one of the auto trader entries? Manual. Okay, yeah. Let's figure that one out. That should be a little bit sooner, right here on this HMA cross when this bar opens inside it. That's when you should be hitting that. You see what I'm talking about, Stefan? Somewhere in this area. And that's the difference in targets being off and the difference in a losing trade. It really is, guys. There you go. Losing trade. That's okay. We learn from it, right? Learn from it, we learn from it, we learn from it. Normally, in a situation like this, now I'm going to be afraid of the shorts. Why? Well, what do we think? I mean, again, think about this, guys. Same thing over and over and over and over. They push it down to do what? On the YM, you pretty much have had your downtrend stop in its tracks. You got that nice little trend line on the hourly. I mean, honestly, hourly trend line break on the YM will give you, that's a sweet little trend line there. Hourly trend line break, you buy it with vigor on the YM. Take it up. What are you talking about? Take it up. Oh yeah, they sell it down and take it up. Yeah, that's what that. Sorry, Michael. Took me a second to caught up there. Well, that is in a zone, and it gave me a target. Didn't call the sell signal off the pivot because I don't like doing it off the pivot there, guys. YM auto trader put me in a short signal here. And this is what we're talking about on the ES. So if I'm switching back forward, probably shouldn't be. What we're talking about on the ES, guys, the other day. This little lines on my chart for a reason here. That's kind of like the long above, short below line. Really, kind of is. I'm not going to give, if this YM trade loses, I'm done. I'm not going to give back any more money to Marcus this morning. I'm waiting until the Fed make me thousands.
Stefan, I just sent you a message. Check that if you can, please.
So hopefully that's a winner. It's a loser again. I'm done. I'm not going to give back money. Yes, people have losing days. I'm not going to let this end up being a losing day because the Fed will change that. This afternoon we'll change that, but I will not trade anymore. I'm not going to go any more in the hole than what I'm in right now. On my actual trades, obviously I do have the grid running slightly up. All right. Bull Knox 312. Good job, Michael. Great job. I mean, guys, think about it. If I didn't get to take my trade calls, but if you did this little M on the ES, you did that little first little M we called on the YM, that might be all you think about this morning. I mean, honestly, it's Fed day, so 2 little trades, 1 little trade, depending on what asset you're on. Take your few $100s and walk away like Michael's doing. You guys are seeing me lose, and that's not normally the case. 2 losing trades in a row, so I'm done. I'm not gonna do it. My next odds are, you know what the funny thing about this is? Isn't that weird that that it actually worked for 10 trades? Think about that, guys. From last Thursday to yesterday or Monday, exactly 8 winning trades out of 10. And I took
Hey.
2 losers in a row last week too.
I took a loss the other day.
So
It's
the odds of
getting
my
getting every
next
bit of it
7
back today. It's up 509 right now.
the
509
odds of my
on
next 7. Oh, wow. Holy crap.
this one off. I don't know if I wish there was a way I could
Close to
adjust
trail.
the
So
stop.
you
You
would
know,
lock
the
in
stop
$9.
loss, so it wouldn't come. Oh, is it?
Just go
I
look
don't
at
have
it.
the trailing on. Just you don't have to
Look
shut it
down.
off to do that. All right, Stefan, I got to get him to reach out to you then. I'm not sure why it's saying that.
Yeah. Just click off trail stop at the bottom. Push it up, push it
So
down.
I could just add it to it, right? I
Yeah,
could just
yeah.
turn it on. I don't have to shut it. I don't have to close out of the trade, right?
No.
Because I don't.
Scroll
Okay, because I
down
don't
and
want to close out
check
of the
the
trade.
box off and hit
Okay.
tab. And it'll update it.
All right. All right. Cool.
Should.
We'll see what happens.
And again, we should expect a little bit of range to form here for a little while, I think, guys. Unless they're going to front run the Fed. I mean, you got 2 options here. Think about this. You've got 2 options. Where would they run it up to most likely? If they're going to run it up pre-Fed, where are they probably going to run it up to? We talked about this for days and days on end, guys. Where are they possibly running up to? He's back. I get a little sell signal now that yes, that Mike could trust, but I'm not still sold on the sell signals just yet, guys. And I'm not taking another trade this morning because I'm not going to give any more money back to the market. Take my little $600 something loss. Sit on my hands for a little while. Wait till the Fed. So you guys will not see me arm a button or take a live trade because I will not give money back to the market. I am a handsy. I'm going to be a healthy fear of the market is a good thing to have. And I stick my rules. Losing trades in a row, time out.
Stefan, he's calling you now.
I'll call trade.
Welcome to the Brady Trading Club, everyone. Miss Paulina here. Hopefully you enjoyed our live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room for live trade calls and a demonstration of our auto traders, please start a free 3-day trial by using the link in the description below. We'll be back for the Fed news later. Please like, subscribe, and share.